Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Love, you are still with me, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang Sakto, Claro, Diretso. First stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Kadena. Isang trait daw ng Pinoy, actually ng tao in general, na pinaka nakakasuya ay ang crab mentality. Kapag merong nasa itaas, hinihila pababa. Kaya nga uso yung linyahan ngayon na pag-inggit, pikit. O diba? Kasi may mga tao na kung ano ang nakikita nila sa iba na wala sa kanila, instead na maging masaya sila para sa mga taong nakakamit ng tagumpay, abay, kinaiinggitan, binabatikos, pinagchichismisan. Love, isa yan sa mga kadenang humihila sa atin pababa. Inggit. Focusing on other people's progress instead of your own. Buti kasi kung yung attention na ginugugol mo doon ay dinadivert mo into inspiration, a motivation to succeed as well, pero hindi eh. Nagfo-focus ka sa success ng iba to find faults, flaws, and critique. You are not only becoming toxic to the person na binabash o binabatikos mo, you are being a hazard to yourself. Why? Kasi you are wasting your valuable time sa isang bagay na wala ka namang mapapala. Hindi mo ikauunlad yan, love, and even if you make money out of ruining someone else's life, you'll never be happy and you'll never gain respect out of it. Wala pa akong nakikitang tao na nirespeto ng iba dahil sa taglay na pagkachismoso at chismosa. So love, if you want to free yourself mula sa pagkakagapos ng inggit sa katawan mo, it's time that you focus on yourself. Kasi kung iisipin mo, kung kaya niya maabot yung tugatog ng tagumpay, kaya mo din eh. Walang imposible sa isang taong determinado at walang tinatapakang iba. Believe me, okay? Second stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Kadena. Sometimes love, chains o kadena also signifies limitations. Limitations not because hindi mo kaya, but because hindi pwede. One good example is being trapped sa isang pinagbabawal na relasyon. Kabit, kirida o pakikiabit sa taong may karelasyon ng iba. The reason as to why kahit nakukuha mo pa din yung gusto mo, di ka pa rin masaya is because you know na may limit ang inyong pagsasama. You know na by the end of the day, you won't experience the feeling of posting about each other online. You know sa sarili mo na you'll never know what it feels like to be a part of their family gatherings. You know na kahit gaano mo siya pasayahin, hindi kayo magkakaroon ng label. Why? Kasi limitado ka. Daig mo pa yung aso na may kadena. You are being chained and used whenever they are bored, but still not enough to be chosen. So kung gusto mong makalaya sa pagkakagapos sa isang relasyon na kailanman hindi ikaw ang mauuna, then break the chain. Let go of a person that won't choose you. Let go of someone who will never see you as their home. More like, for the lack of better term, you are more of a parausan. Remember, we are treated the way we deserve to be treated. So if you don't like to be a prisoner of someone, then don't act like one. Okay? Last stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Kadena. Have you ever wondered why after all these years of working hard, andyan ka pa din kung saan ka nagsimula? It's because nakagapos ka sa isang invisible chain na you have to figure out what. It could be fear, takot na magkamali o takot sumubok ulit. It could be self-doubt. Kaya mo ba? May kapasidad ka ba para matapos yan? It could be because you care too much sa kung ano ang sasabihin ng iba. Love, lahat tayo may something sa buhay natin that's holding us back in becoming the successful individual we all have the potential to be. Fortunately, may mga iba na nakikita yon at naa-address ang issue na yon sa buhay nila. But there are also some na hindi yon nakikita, kaya hindi sila tuluyang makalaya. Unfortunately, love, only you can help yourself on that matter. Kailangan mong hanapin what chain is holding you in prison. Is it the past? Is it fear? Is it self-doubt? Because once you do, then you can muster the courage to face it head-on. Imposible kasi maabot ang freedom if hindi mo alam kung saan ka nakagapos. Gets mo? Figure it out and break your own chain. Others have done it, my love. So there is no excuse for you not to. Okay? Sa mga kabisyo natin, ituloy-tuloy na lang natin ang usapang to sa aking Facebook fan page, DJ Lala Banderas. You are still with me, DJ Lala, and you are still tuned in sa aking programang Biyahe. Ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso. Dito lang yan sa 90.7 Love Radio. Juvie lang, walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.